Hello, how's it going? My name is Cembreros, and in this video, I wanted to show you how you can rank at the top of the Google search results by just fixing these three little things that I found on your website. As you already know, having a strong online presence is super important for every single business, and that's why in this video I wanted to tell you about content, backlinks, and citations, which are the three main factors that Google counts in order to rank a website at the very top. I've noticed that you're already doing some of it, but you're far from taking full advantage of their potential, and that's why I made this short video for you. To keep it nice and short, I'll be explaining as we go, and we're going to start with content, which is basically everything that is on your website, okay? All the text, pictures, how those pictures are saved as, and also what is behind those pictures. For content, Google loves to see at least 1500 words of keyword-rich content with also a fair good amount of pictures. And keywords are nothing else than the terms that people are looking up in Google regarding the services that you provide. So you always want to make sure that you know which ones are the most popular and the most searched, and then implement them several times throughout your content. For example, if we go on Google and we search for tree removal Lafayette, this would be one of your major keywords. And then we go down to see who is the top people over here. The top businesses is Tree Service Lafayette and also Scott's Tree Services. So if we go to their websites, as you can see, they have a lot of content. All right, these guys have a lot of content, pictures, text, videos. Then Scott's Tree Service as well. They have a pretty good amount of it. But by you making those 1500 words of keyword-rich content, making sure you're targeting the keywords right, that's the most important part. Okay, putting some pictures, you'll be competing with them content-wise, no problem. And all you will need to do in order to beat them and secure the top spots here would be to build a healthy and strong backlink profile. A backlink is pretty much when another website is mentions your website with a clickable link. And when somebody clicks in it, it takes all the traffic back to your website. So they're really important because Google loves to see other websites and businesses vouching for you and your business. But one thing to keep in mind at all times, though, is that not all backlinks are created equal. Some backlinks are more powerful or give you more authority to rank higher and faster, just because they come from more popular, powerful, or relevant websites. So those are the type of backlinks you always want to go after. Here in our company, we use a tool called Ahrefs that allows us to read data from Google. And as you can see, when we put the top one guys over here, you can see that they have 337 referring domains, giving them 375 backlinks. Then they're ranking for 24 different keywords, which is bringing them about 535 people every single month going through their website. Then Scott's Tree Services right here, they have 8 referring domains, which are giving them 14 backlinks. They're ranking for 35 organic keywords, which is bringing them about 435 people every single month in traffic through their website. So these are the numbers of the top guys, all right? Now we see your website here. You have 7 referring domains giving you 28 backlinks. You're ranking for 77 different keywords, which is bringing you about 60 people a month going through your website. So this is a good example here that if you target the right keywords, all right, and then you build a healthy and strong backlink profile, you could be making almost 10 times more business because 10 times more traffic can be 10 times more business easily. Okay, there's way more people going through your website every single month. All right, and don't get discouraged about these numbers. Most of their backlinks are low quality. Okay, that's why these guys with the little backlinks but pretty strong ones, they're ranking at the second position. Right, so backlinks is always quality over quantity. So make sure you are building some good quality backlinks. Copy these guys, check out their cities, see what they're doing, and pretty much that's how you will get at the top of the results and getting all the business over here. Then last thing I want to tell you about is if you want to dominate completely your market, how do you get on the mic pack over here? And this is all about having a Google business page, which is free to create, and citations, which are basically your business information listed in different directories all throughout the web. What always works for us and for our clients is to make at least 100 citations more than the top guys over here. That way, you create a big of a gap between you and them. By the time they realize that you are now the owner of the top spot, and they start building new citations more aggressively because these guys are building already citations almost every day. Okay, so by the time they realize that now you have the top spot and they're building more and more, aggressively in order to catch up with you, you already had a big head start on them, making super hard for them to catch up with you. So that said, once you get the top spot here and here, you can believe that you will be pulling numbers like this, if not more, and dominating your local market. That's it. That's all I have for you today. I hope you find it interesting and as exciting as I do. I would love to hear your thoughts on all this. So please feel free to contact me at any time. You have all my information on the email. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.